Today I want to talk about the use of technology in the workplace since lockdown. We've all been using technology like Zoom and Microsoft Teams in order to be able to communicate. And while we've been locked down, everyone's been staying at home, trying to work from home, if that's you. It's been great that we've been able to actually still communicate face to face, not quite, but via a screen, and we've been able to carry on. And that's been really good. A lot of businesses have got staff back in the offices. And if you're a buyer and you're back in the office, there's a temptation to carry on using Teams, and you can end up having a Teams meeting with someone that just sits just a few desks away, or you maybe would normally have gone to see your colleague in the next department. Just have to sort of go down a few steps, go along the factory floor, and then back up, and then there's maybe your quality department or your engineering department. How many of us now still carry on using Teams or Zoom or it's crazy when you think, and I know this change has been made and it's a culture that we're in currently, but how much better is it when we can talk to people face to face, when we're in the building? How much better is it when we can, use the spare time around the work conversation to actually bond with your colleagues, bond with the people you work with? It might just be, sharing a joke or something like that. You don't get the same interaction via the screen. So I'm going to try to make more of an effort to bomb across the factory floor and go and speak with my colleagues. And I just think it's a really good thing to do. So that is my top tip for today.